Hey everyone, so I just want to share with you my vignette box that I made from scratch. This is a Tim Holtz vignette box. Okay, so I just sort of I did spray stain it, all that spray stain and mediums. I used some of the snowflake, I think it's snowflake crystal stuff that I had. This is the back of it. This is a lot of the vintage papers here. Okay, very pretty. And then I added some fencing that I found. I think I got this at Dollar Tree, y'all. I don't remember. And then I added some of the snowflake from, what is it from, y'all? Ranger. God, I can't think. The crystal snowflake stuff. I think it's called Snowfall. So I added some of that and a little bit of molding paste. So this is on a wood, like a wood block, right? I got this block at Hobby Lobby like a couple of years ago, but they sell them in different places, I guess. And I thought it would be really cool to have a vintage scene on it. So then I put some little ornament candy canes on it, and the front part is really cool. I used some little mediums there, and then I put the deer here, glued the deer together, and then stuck it on top of my wreath. So I didn't actually paint it, I just spray stained it. So it came out really, really gorgeous. And I wanted to have like a little scene. And I added, like I said, some molding paste. I added some snowfall, medium from Ranger. And I just kind of layered it on the block. Okay. Hopefully it'll focus here. And then I added some of the little, like little snowballs there. And then these little scene figures are from Dollar Tree, y'all. Little family going to see the Christmas window. It's sort of what I used to do when I was a kid. It reminded me, this scene reminded me of when I was a kid living in Chicago, growing up. My family and I would go down to Michigan, not Michigan Avenue, well, Michigan Avenue too, but State Street when the Marshall Fields was there, for those of you who remember that, who are old enough to remember that. And they used to have the best window displays for Christmas. It was so pretty. I was just in awe every single time. And it was so festive and fun and warm and great. Not warm, but cold outside, but you know what I mean. It was just so beautiful. So I wanted to create something sort of like that from a memory of mine. The family out with the little girl who's running to see Santa in the window. And check this out. I got my lights back here. Hold on, let me see if I can turn the lights on. Hold on, let me see. Trying to do this one hand. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, a lot of this stuff is Tim Holtz stuff, and a lot of stuff I've had over the years. I got the little light things. I got these at Michael's. These are little, I think, little figurines are from Dollar Tree. The little snowman is, I think, Hobby Lobby. This tree I got at Michael's, and these are the little Tim Holtz little balls, little baubles they call them. And yeah, it came out really beautiful. It's like a whole little, little decorative scene. It's so beautiful. It makes me smile. So I'm going to put it downstairs. And it took me a few days to make this, so that's why I didn't film it, I didn't make a video of it because it just would take too long. And I'm sitting it on my little paint thing that you put your paintings on when you're painting. Technically they're for pour paints, but I just put paintings on them or whatever else I want to when I want to turn it around like that. But yeah, it came out gorgeous. So I want you to see sort of the details up close. If it'll focus, y'all. I don't know if it'll focus. I'm having trouble having it focus. But then I layered it in the back. This is from the latest Tim Holtz, I think it's called Layers, baseboards. They have windows in the baseboards, and this is like an acetate piece. So I just turned it inside out and made the inside of the window. I glued the Santa in there. I got that Santa at Michael's. I got the little presents there at Michael's, and I just glued some stuff in the back. You can't really see it, but, we know it's there. And that's one of the same little trees as here, okay? And it's so beautiful, y'all. It's so, so beautiful. So it lights up, and it's gorgeous, right? So I hope this has inspired you, maybe to create one for yourself. You don't have to, you can create them for any time of the year, really. I just wanted to try for Christmas. You can make them spring, shabby chic, kind of the curiosities boxes. You can do them in any theme that you want. I just wanted one for Christmas, so I just thought it was beautiful. It's just so beautiful. I wish I had music to play to it, but I don't. My little friend here, he's playing music right here. So yeah, so I'm gonna give you one little spin around the good. I'm gonna Only thing is I got to probably tape the lights to that, but that's about it. So yeah, that's the back of the building, technically. And it came out absolutely gorgeous. So I added some little snow up here. Wait, let me see. It's not focusing, y'all. Hold on. Maybe you can see that. Yeah, little snow up there. Little wreath. You know, just beautiful. Just gorgeous. It's just like little icicles, you know, cold winter's day. All right, y'all. Happy holidays. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Merry Christmas. Ciao.